I can't believe that this place has changed my understanding of the word travel. I used to think that conserving nature was something far removed from my life, until I came here and got to meet, to see, to know. It makes me start. Nice to meet you.
And if you come to Khao Sok, if you love the jungle, you want to learn the jungle, you already help us to protect the nature.
Right. Today, I realize that protecting the environment is like being friends with nature. If we want this friend of ours to be with us for a long time, then we would just have to treat her well. And as you can see, my friend the nature also gives back something to me in return. She has supplemented my journey and my conscience all at the same time.